Hey there, Ryan Sullivan with SuperCanary. In this video demonstration, we're going to show you how to schedule a test. So currently I have my TCP ping test demo test up currently. You can see we're on the build step right now. And all you have to do is click settings. Go ahead and click settings. And then you'll see two areas here. We have schedule and monitor. So let's go ahead and create a schedule for this test. When we click that and open it up, we have the option to give it a custom name. If we want, for some reason, a schedule name, we do have a list view where you can see all schedules for all tests that are running. So that can be helpful to decipher what the schedule is. The test is automatically populated. For this test, we want to run it every 5 minutes. So we'll just go ahead and add 5 minutes. You can select hours, days. In addition to that, you can select a custom start time. For example, if you don't want the test to start right now. So it's as simple as that. So just hit create. And that first test should start running within a minute. So here we clicked on the results tab and we should see the test pop right in here when it starts. Okay, as you can see, the test has run. Now it will run every 5 minutes. If you ever need to get back to the settings page, for example, if you're on the home page, which shows the dashboard of all tests running, all you have to do is click on the test and click settings. It'll take you right back to this page here. Now, if you ever want to disable a schedule, you can just click edit schedules and click this button here to disable a schedule. Easy as that. I went from enabled to disabled. Thank you. Bye.